All right, the third red flag to look for is pressure to act quickly. Scammers love to create a sense of urgency. The reason why they do that is because they don't want you to research anything. If you have less time to research something, then the better the scam is. So the biggest thing to look for is for signs of pressure to act quickly is pump and dump schemes, is identifying who you get your information from. One of the biggest things that I want to talk about here is a story of 8 Twitter finance gurus who traded in the business name of Atlas Trading. They all went by pseudonyms, and as you can see here, they all got charged online. They all got charged with criminal securities fraud for running a $114 million pump and dump scheme on their collective 1.5 million Twitter followers. That's crazy. I remember how big this thing was when they got arrested, because these guys claim to all be good people, and some of them might have been good people, but they were manipulating their followers and telling them to buy a certain stock at a price and then selling before they tell them to get out. And a lot of their followers lost a lot of money, which is scary because, you know, these guys have so many followers, so we think they're good people, but they're not. So the biggest thing about making money in the cryptocurrency field is to identify if someone is telling you to act quickly and buy something and then sell without doing your research. It's a huge red flag, and one of the most common ones. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about cryptocurrency scams. Thank you.